Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G75, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that's the case for you, meaning your content is open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold the power button and the volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up with edit, share, Google Lens, delete, and whatever that is, options. And as you've seen, it does disappear on its own after a moment if you don't click on any of the options. So once it disappears, you can find a screenshot in your Photos application by going into Collections and Screenshots. And you can see it right here. So there we go. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.